Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix Copilot is disabled by your organization in Windows 11. Open Registry Editor. Create new key under Windows directory. Change value data to 0. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.